We're going to make a Thai pumpkin curry. I'm here at Ella's farm. Just check out that view. It is insane. Obviously we need a pumpkin, we need some potato, tomato, you need some onion. There wasn't any onion on the farm, so I picked some shallots. I'm using shallots. Good to have a tray, right? It's good to have a tray to put all your food on. Wow. Whoa. How beautiful is that? Beautiful. You know, I used to be into making everything the exact size and stuff like that. But these days, man, I just want good, tasty food. I want it fast. I want it quick. I don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. Okay, get your wok hot. First thing, get the wok hot. Throw your onions in. Now, from a whole food plant-based perspective, we don't actually use oil because it's processed. And you can saute onions without oil. You just got to get your pan hot, or pot hot, or barbecue hot, and then you throw them in and you just get a stir fry. Then what we want to do, once they've got a bit of colour in them, add your curry paste. In that goes. Give it a stir. Add the tomatoes. Excellent. And then add some of the curry powder. As soon as you smell the aromatic from the spices, you've got to get a liquid in there. Otherwise your spices are going to burn. So I'm just going to splash either some water, you can put water in, or you can put a little bit of plant milk in. I'm just going to put plant milk because it's right next to me. I spilt it everywhere. And give it a stir. That'll stop your spices from burning. And if they burn, it makes it bitter. Now just add your potatoes. Add your pumpkin. Give it a stir. Yum. Oh, God, this smells good. It smells so good. And then what we want to do, we want to cover it with water. Just add some water. You just want to almost cover it. It's okay to have bits of pumpkin and potatoes just sticking out to let it cook down. Now we want to add some soy sauce, so we need about a tablespoon. I'm using gluten-free soy sauce here, and that goes. A little bit of vegan fish sauce, once again, about a tablespoon. And we want a tablespoon of coconut sugar. And later we'll add some lime for the acidity. It's been cooking for about 20 minutes now, and stir it while it's boiling over that 20 minutes. But if you look at this, it's all, the pumpkin's soft, right? And now what I'm doing, I'm just breaking it down a little bit, and that's going to help thicken and make a yummy sauce. At this stage, just add a cup of plant milk. Give it a stir. Okay, we're done. It's been cooking for about half hour. And see how the pumpkin's broken down? Made it thick and creamy. But you got chunks of potato and you still got chunks of pumpkin. That's how you want it. Now we've got to add the sour to it. We want to add some lime. So just squeeze in half a lime over the top. Yum. I love eating out of my coconut bowls. They just make you feel connected to the earth again. So a little bit of rice, in we go. Add some curry on top. Beautiful. So there you have it. My Thai pumpkin curry. Give it a go. Super easy to make. It is super delicious. So if you want to, find out how to make more super quick, delicious meals like this, just head over to my website, IFeelGood.com.au, and do my free course. I've got a course over there. It's going to teach you all about plant-based nutrition, like where do you get your protein from plants, where do you get your calcium from plants. I make another really awesome dish. It's a Mexican dish, so go check it out. I'll see you there.